Rebuilding the cylinder on the Wheel Horse 520. Tearing into that. Can't really see in there, but that's what it looks like. Pulled this part out. Snaps on in there. Snap on anything, it slides in there. A little hard to see, but this rubber gasket failed, and you can see all those ridges there. I'm hoping, and you can see this as well, where this gasket, the seal blew, and it should be flush, and there you go. Now you can see how that got tore out. Either got some dry rot or just failed. So I'm going to be replacing all these. I got a Toro seal kit, ring and gasket. Comes complete to rebuild these. It was a lot of money. It was more than I wanted to pay. It was like $74 on the Toro website. But if you look at a new hydraulic cylinder, you know, that they don't make anymore, now you're looking at, I've seen them on eBay for $300. So I guess I'm ahead, but it still hurts. All in the name of restoration. You can see how that's, the light's a little hard here, but that's exactly how it looked. And this thing's pretty beat. Shaft's in real good shape. Looks good. No gouges. It's in real good shape, and you'll notice there, real tiny little O-ring right up top. First thing we'll do is replace that. Come here, Regan. Come here. Get over here. Stop, leave mommy alone. Come out here and bother me. There we go.
Reagan, he's got his rubber gloves on.
Here's the new one from Jonas.
Two on the ends. See, they sandwich, they put a big rubber one in here, and there's two smaller, thinner ones on either end. Okay, got this on nice and tight. A little burr here. You can see it in the light. There's a little nick there from when the arm was extended. Maybe it hit something. The previous owner might hit a deck or hit a bump as he was extending the arm. So, but I got all new seals here, and inside here, about right in there, is another rubber seal that seals around here. It's about that far down. That wound up using an old 16 gauge air nail and bending it in a fish hook, sticking it in there and working it out, and then the new one went right in. last thing is just put the old clamp on. Snap ring clamp.
Tune up the air guitar Mr. Edward Van Halen is coming in with an air
There you go.
guitar classic. Now the great new song from Papa Roach. Here
Oh
we
my
go.
gosh.
Mr. Brownstone.
I think that's the way it's supposed to be.
97.7 hits that down.
Nice and tight. Rebuilt. Job done. Now just to sand it up, get it looking like new. Thanks for watching.